We feel angry, hurt, and disappointed. We can forgive. We can protect ourselves. Trust grows slowly, step by step. Rebuilding is a choice. You don't have to. It's your choice. Sometimes peace means distance.